So far, we have learned how we can use animation controller to create a custom animation. Then we utilize tween to optimize our animation. Now we are going to introduce some curves to the animation. By default, all the animations use a linear curve. So what is a curve? Curve represents how the value changes over time. Let me show you in the code. So now we are going to introduce a new curve. So Flutter team has created some curves for us. So I'm going to use the bounce in, bounce out. So let me hot restart. So as you can see, we have got this bouncy animation. So you can use some other curve. You can use ease in. So here we need to use from 0. So as you can see, it's increasing gradually and the speed increased when it was about to reach the end. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about Flutter, you can subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.